Kitchens are the most popular room in the house. It is where your family members and your guests eat, cook, share stories, and converse every day. If you are considering a kitchen renovation, there are a lot of moving parts. It is important that you work with a reliable contractor who can ensure these parts are moving in the right direction. Here at Ottawa Home Pros, we set you up for success from design to completion. We provide you with a dedicated project manager to bring those parts together under one roof with one point of contact. We provide you with professional cabinet vendors, countertop manufacturers, plumbers, electricians, tile setters, and painters in order to give you the kitchen all your friends will be talking about. Whether it is just a facelift or a full remodel, Ottawa Home Pros, we are here to make sure your kitchen renovation is one that your family, guest, and you can enjoy for years to come. We work with projects of all different sizes and scopes. From creating that beautiful open concept main level, to the lipstick and nail polish upgrades. Like the changing of a countertop and backsplash. A beautiful kitchen doesn't have to come with a heavy price tag. If you are looking to remodel your kitchen, then give us a call. One of our representatives will be happy to come out and offer suggestions as well as provide you with a free estimate. Call us at 613-288-9145.